Hello, greetings. Engineer Bob here. Welcome back to Space Engineers, sandbox building and survival game. We continue on our journey with the first jump, Mission 4, the final confrontation. I must have blacked out. Where am I? Ship reactor meltdown imminent. Let's get out of here. Let's do the escape route. We've done it. Commence explosion dodging. Well, that's unfortunate. I don't know how I survived. Glad to see you made it out of that wreck alive. Report to these coordinates. We have something for you. See what they have over here for us. There's a cargo container. That might be of some help. And it looks like they're bringing me a present. What do we have here, guys? Let's go ahead and grab this. Stand clear of the landing zone. Tank will drop shortly. Excellent. Looks like we've been granted a battle tank. Enter the cockpit. Let's get our menu set up real fast. We'll open up our G menu and single right click to remove all of these items that we don't need at the moment. We'll go ahead and add our rifles that we have to our hotbar and character tools. Let's go ahead and reload our weapons. And we'll press 0 to stow everything. Let's take a look at the tank that they gave us. The Independent Terran Workers Rover. Looks like it has a couple of missile turrets on top, a couple of fixed Gatling guns in the front, a fixed missile turret on its face, and a couple of Gatling turrets on the side. Seems to be made of heavy armor. Pretty rugged. This is going to be used in our ground force phase of the Terran Workers attack plan. Let's go ahead and enter the cockpit. Here it's highlighted in blue, and when we look at it, we can actually interact and hit F to enter the cockpit. It looks like the ROS forces have decimated most of the ground assaults so far. Looks like it's up to us to eliminate the rest of their drones and make our way into the corporate headquarters. See, we have a new hotbar down here from entering the cockpit. We've got the fixed weapon for the missiles on 1, the cockpit hand brake on 2, which will allow us to drive, the fixed weapon Gatling guns on 3, and 4 and 5 will allow us to control the missile turrets. We'll go ahead and use some of our engineering skills to adjust the settings on this. Press I to enter their inventory menu. From the ship, we can go to control panel. We see that we only have a few items available to us currently. This icon here will allow us to see hidden blocks. Hiding blocks in ships is common just to get rid of clutter. What we want to do is we want to look for our turrets. We'll have the computer work for us. I think I'll use this fancy targeting computer. Go ahead and shift these to maximum range. And now we can see that they'll do some of the work for us now. Let's get going. Oh, it's not good. Okay. Now that their suicide assault is withdrawn, we'll go ahead and continue. See if we can get a line up here. That red dot directly in front of us is some of our fixed weapons. We'll let some of our turrets handle those drones overhead. see the view of what the missile turrets have. F to exit that view. Looks like we're taking some fire over here. Let's turn our face. Looks like a Terran ship. That wreckage has a turret that's still operable, but I think we're doing okay so far in our battle tank. There's the main entrance. Let's go ahead and do as it instructs. We'll use our missile launcher to punch a hole in that entrance. Seems like our missile launcher isn't working. Okay, we'll back down. Put our handbrake on real fast. And we'll use this ship wreckage. This one has a missile launcher on it, and it's close enough for us to get to. Let's go ahead and get close. Look at the seat, activate one, and then we can bust open this front gate. Missile launcher is reloading. Let's see if we can't get in here. Someone seems to be shooting at us from above. Or are we shooting at it? That's our ship shooting at whatever's going on up here. What is this noise? We can roll the mouse button in. This looks to be some air support from us. Our guys were marked in yellow. Let's finish punching a hole in this door. And make our way in. This buggy's seen better days. Let's see if we can get in through the hole we made here. Looks like there's a barricade in the way. We won't be able to get through here. Or will we? Let's see. Unfortunately not. The barricade is not going to let us get through. Our Gatling gun seems to be upset with something. Let's go ahead and turn that off. Enter back into the menu, and we'll go ahead and toggle this guy off. Continue further into the base. This is a drone factory just ahead. I'm getting some strange signals I've never encountered before. Probably means that the artifact is close by. More likely so that the CEO is not going to be happy with me. Alright, good bot. Let's go ahead and enter the drone factory. And there we have it. The completion of the first jump. Mission 4. The final confrontation. Engineer Bob led the independent Terran workers ground team through the ROS blockade. Having gained access to the corporate fortress, Bob must now stop the corporate overlord from corrupting the mysterious artifact.